Hey there. In this lesson, we will discuss complex fractions and talk about different methods to simplify them. So first we have to discuss and define what a complex fraction is. And so simply put, it's a fraction within a fraction. So you have fractions where the numerator or denominator, or in some cases both, are also fractions themselves. So if you look through these examples here, notice that at least one of the numerator or denominator is a fraction, or maybe even an expression with multiple fractions in it. All right. So let's get to simplifying these. So we're going to take this same um, complex fraction and we're going to do it two different ways. So the first, which we'll call method one, is to simplify the top and bottom independently, and then we'll flip and multiply. So if you notice let's go with purple. The denominator is already a simple fraction, but the numerator is made up of the sum of two fractions. So we want to add those together. In order to do that, we need an LCD of 2x. So basically what we end up with here is we have x over 2x plus 6 over 2x all over x plus 3 over 4. So now I have x plus 6 over 2x divided by x plus 3 over 4. So what we'll do is we will just flip and multiply. And now, multiplying fractions, we can cancel anything in the numerator that has a common factor with the denominator. So we are left with 2 times x plus 6 over x plus 3 times x. So that is method one. Simplify the numerator, simplify the denominator if necessary, and then flip and multiply once you have simple fraction in both. Now method number two is to find an LCD for all fractions. So we look at all the possible denominators here. So if you think about it, the denominators are 2, x, and 4. And so an LCD for all of those would be 4x. And I'm going to multiply every fraction. So the 1/2, the 3 over x, and the x plus 3 over 4 by 4x. So what I'll end up with is a 2x plus 12 over x times x plus 3. Now I could factor the numerator, but it's not going to cancel with anything in the denominator, so I'm just going to leave it as is. And notice these two simplifications are the same. If I were to distribute in the numerator of the first method, I would get exactly what I have in the numerator of the second method. All right, so we'll just practice it one more time. So this one we'll do method one, which means I need to combine terms in the numerator and then do the same in the denominator. So my LCD for the numerator is x minus 4. My LCD for the denominator is x. So I have x squared plus 2 times x minus 4 all over x minus 4. That's the new numerator. And the denominator is now 2x minus 2 minus x all over x. So let's simplify. So I got x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 4 and all of that. So that's x minus 2 over x. So now we're going to flip and multiply. So I'm going to rewrite x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 4 times x over x minus 2. Let's factor this one. Let me make a little more room. So x plus 4, x minus 2 cancel. So now my numerator, x times x plus 4 over x minus 4. We're going to do the same problem, only we're going to use method 2, which means find an LCD for all of them. So the LCD is x times x minus 4. So I get x cubed plus 2x times x plus 4 all over 2x minus 2 times x minus 4 minus x times x minus 4. And now I just got a lot of simplifying to do. So this is x cubed plus 2x squared plus 8x. And 2x squared minus 8x minus 2x, that's minus 10x plus 8 minus x squared plus 4x. Okay, so the top is x squared plus 2x plus 8. Oops. Need a minus 4 here, which is going to give me a minus 8x there and a minus 8 there. Sorry about that. I knew that didn't look familiar. Okay, and then x squared minus 6x plus 8. So now factor. So x minus 4, x minus 2. Sorry, let's just leave that. So this is x plus 4, x minus 2. Cancel the x minus 2's. So what's left is x times x plus 4 over x minus 4. All right, same result as before, just a different method. You can kind of decide which of the two you like best. There are certainly some times where one is more efficient than the other, and with practice, I think you'll figure that out. All right, take care.